I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a stable connection and location services enabled. Once that's confirmed, open your satellite map app and sign in if required. Tap the layers icon and select the satellite or hybrid view. This loads high-resolution imagery. Next, center on your area by typing an address or using the GPS target button. This speeds data fetching. Make sure to set zoom between 1519 for detail. Once done, lock orientation and switch to 2D or 3D depending on clarity needed. Now refine the imagery. Use the time or refresh controls to request the latest tiles. Some services stream near real-time updates while others cache. Enable overlays such as traffic, weather, and administrative borders so you can interpret context. Make sure opacity is balanced for visibility. Use the ruler to measure distance and the pin tool to drop a marker. This gives exact coordinates and persists across sessions. If needed, switch to 3D tilt to inspect building heights and terrain contours. Finish by saving the current view as a bookmark or exporting the coordinates so you can return quickly. This preserves zoom and layer settings. Share the pin or a screenshot if collaborating. If tiles load slowly, close background apps and reduce zoom to lower detail. Switching servers or enabling data saver can help. If imagery shows artifacts or outdated tiles, clear the app cache, force a reload, or toggle the satellite layer off and on. This usually forces a fresh fetch and resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.